welcome to Adi's kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare a very fantastic chicken starter preparation. It is called chicken pakora or chicken pakoda. Every state in India has got different ways of making this, but today I'm going to show you the chicken pakoda preparation, which is pretty authentic, and this is what a type of chicken pakora you get it on the street side. And let's look into the ingredients we require for this. I've taken here around 750 grams of thigh chicken meat without bone or and without skin as well. You can also use with bone as well if you like it, but you need to have a very small pieces of chicken. And then I'm using here pepper powder, almost 3/4 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder, around 1 tablespoon of salt. And salt and red chili powder and pepper powder is definitely according to your taste. And then I have got almost 1 tablespoon of garam masala, and I have roughly chopped few green chilies. Here I have got two types of herbs. One is coriander leaves. I have roughly chopped it, and I have got curry leaves. I have very finely chopped it. Then I'm using 1.5 tablespoon of lemon water, and around 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 egg. This is very essential. And then I am using corn flour, around 4 to 5 tablespoons. First I am marinating the chicken with all the ingredients except the corn flour. So, and this one I didn't explain about. This is actually a pinch of red color. Please avoid it, but for making or for showing it nicely in a red color in authentic, in the street food they use red color, that's why I'm using it. But when you're eating in home, you can totally go ahead and avoid that. So I'm adding everything here except the corn flour. Also the egg. So just mix this thoroughly and leave it for 15 minutes to get nicely marinated. The chicken has been marinated. Just leave it for 15 minutes, and we are going to deep fry this in an oil. And at the time of frying, I'm going to add the corn flour. That gives a nice crunchy texture to the pakora, so that's why I'm not adding straight away to the marinated chicken. The chicken has been marinated for about 15 minutes. So in a vessel I have taken oil to deep fry this marinated chicken. So as I said, I am now adding corn flour. Use the corn flour which is finely, very finely blended. Look at this. It's about 6 tablespoons. Just mix this. Corn flour gives a very nice unique taste as well as the crispiness. Some people add white flour, it's called maida. Some people also add besan, chickpeas flour. If you like, you can take equal portions of those flours also, but corn flour is actually more than sufficient. Now the oil is hot enough. I am adding chicken pieces. Try to add separately. If you are immediately eating this snack, so you can deep fry for about 4 to 5 minutes. But if you are not immediately eating, you can just fry it for about 1-2 minutes, and then at the time of eating you can just heat it for 3 or 4 minutes more. So that way you can maintain the crispiness. This is a very good street side recipe. Try this. I think you might have eaten pakoda before, also on one of those Indian streets perhaps, maybe. Then you want to have the same taste. This is how you get the same taste. I'm adding 2 or 3 pieces more. The chicken has been fried for about 4 minutes, so I'm reducing the flame and I am taking it back to a plate. Look at this, they are really very crispy. It's so simple. Look at that. I think they are really crispy. Wow. You definitely must try this recipe. Trust me, this comes out very nice. So I will now go with the second batch. Look at this, I am now frying the second batch. It is going to take about 4 more minutes. After my second batch has been fried for about 4 minutes, I am transferring this also to the same plate. Friends, look at this. It is looking very nice, very amazing. And take a piece of it. You see the crunchiness of this. I'm telling you, you try this recipe and this is absolutely tastes as it is as you taste at the street side. And please share this recipe, like this recipe, and provide your comments if you want some more different types of videos. Please go ahead and put your comments and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.